The Adam and Eve theory: could two people populate the entire earth? If we refer to the story in the book of Genesis, God created Adam on the sixth day and realized that man needed a companion. Thus, Eve was created. Be fruitful and multiply. Genesis 1 verse 28 was the divine command, which supposedly marked the beginning of human population growth. Similar myths exist in all monotheistic religions. For centuries, people believed humanity originated from two ancestors, directly contradicting Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, which posits that humans evolved from other species. But is this possible? Could one man and one woman give birth to a population capable of inhabiting the entire Earth? Biological reproduction challenges. If we were talking about fruit flies or mice that reproduce exponentially, the answer might seem obvious. According to scientists, a single pair of mice can produce 1 million offspring in just a year under favorable conditions. The Bible mentions Adam and Eve's children, Cain, Abel, and Seth. However, it does not specify how they found wives, leading to speculation and interpretations. One of the most popular theories suggests that Adam and Eve's sons married their sisters to continue the human race. This raises the risks of inbreeding, a phenomenon well known to scientists and historians. Historical inbreeding examples. A well-documented example of the dangers of inbreeding is the Habsburg dynasty. The last member, Charles II, was born with numerous physical and mental disabilities, learned to walk at age 8, and died at 38. Similarly, in 1775, a typhoon reduced the population of Pinglap Atoll in the Pacific to just 20 people. One of these survivors carried the gene for colorblindness, and due to inbreeding, nearly 10% of the current population suffers from this condition. The island is now famously referred to as the Island of the Colorblind. Even with these risks, a surviving group might still produce healthy children if they have a sufficient number of offspring. But what if inbreeding continues for hundreds of years? Scientific perspective. From a scientific standpoint, it is nearly impossible for two people to repopulate Earth successfully. If the original two individuals were closely related siblings or cousins, subsequent generations would inevitably face significant genetic challenges. Over the past century, the Earth's population has grown sixfold from 1.5 billion to 8 billion. However, this growth was only possible due to advances in medicine and hygiene. If all of humanity originated from Adam and Eve, genetic defects would have been unavoidable. To avoid anomalies caused by inbreeding, genetic diversity from multiple population groups is essential. Conclusion. The story of Adam and Eve should be viewed as a moral allegory rather than a factual explanation of human origin. It provides insight into philosophical and ethical questions rather than serving as a scientific account of the beginnings of humanity.